Hey there, everybody. I'm going to show you how to share a Google Doc in your email through links. So I'm just using my BioBrief assignment as an example. All you need to do is click share. It'll maybe take a little bit to load, but as long as it's Google Docs, this will work. An easy way to share is to add groups or people directly, so type their names up here, but I want to show you how to do it through a link. So what you'll need to do, specifically if you're using your Fargo Schools email account, is change to Fargo Public Schools, this get link, change it to that. And then if you want them to only see it, not change anything, it'll stay as viewer. However, we want them to be able to edit your work, give feedback, make some changes, so on and so forth. So you're going to click that drop down and click editor, and it'll take a little while to update. And then once that's in, you're going to click copy link. Okay, so don't click done, click copy link. After you've clicked copy link, then you can click done. Then you'll hop into your email and you'll make sure you address whoever it is you're sending this to, and then have a little info about why you're sending it or what it is you're sending, okay? What you'll do here is you have it all typed up, and then whatever you want to be clickable, whatever text you want to be clickable, you're just going to highlight that. So I want this to be clickable. And then to insert the link, you go down to this little chain link icon down here. You click that, paste your link, and it'll go right there. So then whenever your partner just clicks on it, they'll be able to directly go right to that document and make any edits as needed. So once that's done, you press send and voila, you have just now shared a Google Doc through a link through an email.